How to post Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Since Meta connects both the app Instagram and Facebook, you can post on the same time. Open Instagram app on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. On Instagram, go to your profile section and tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. On your settings and activity, click on the first section, Accounts Center. Under Connected Experiences, select the option Sharing Across Profiles. Here you will see all the Facebook and Instagram accounts that are connected. If your Facebook isn't connected with your Instagram account, you can click on Add Accounts and add your Facebook account. After making sure that both the accounts are connected, go to your profile and start posting. If you are posting stories, then click on Your Stories and it will be posted to Facebook also. The same goes with Reels and other posts. That's all for today. Thank you.